In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft OneNote. If OneNote has been slow, glitchy, or not syncing correctly, a reset can give it a clean slate. In this context, reset simply means clearing the app's local data so it starts fresh on your Windows PC. It does not delete your notebooks stored in OneDrive or the cloud, so your notes are safe. What you'll lose are local cache files and app-specific settings, which OneNote will rebuild as you sign back in and sync. Here's how to do it using the built-in Windows settings. Start by opening the Windows Settings menu. The quickest way is to press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, select Apps, then choose Apps and Features. You'll see a list of installed apps. Scroll down until you find OneNote. Click on OneNote to expand its options. Then select Advanced Options. On the page that opens, scroll down until you see the Reset section. Click the Reset button. Windows will ask you to confirm, reminding you that this action will delete the app's data on your device. Click Reset again to proceed. Give Windows a moment to complete the process. This clears OneNote's cached files and local settings, which can resolve many common problems. Remember, this action only resets the app on your device. It does not remove or delete your notebook stored in OneDrive or any other cloud location. After the reset finishes, open OneNote from your Start menu. You'll be prompted to sign in again so the app can reconnect to your Microsoft account. Once signed in, reopen your notebooks and let them sync. Depending on the size of your notebooks and your internet speed, the first sync may take a little time. That's normal, because the app is rebuilding its local cache. A few quick tips for a smooth experience. Before you reset, make sure OneNote has finished syncing your latest changes. If you've been working offline, or you see sync warnings, connect to the internet and allow OneNote to update everything to the cloud first. After the reset, be patient during the first launch and initial sync. If you use multiple notebooks, it can help to remember which ones you had open so you can get back to them quickly. And that's it. By using Windows settings to reset OneNote, you're effectively giving the app a fresh start without risking your notes. If issues return later, you can repeat these steps anytime. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your OneNote running smoothly again.